can get going.
Okay, Mommy. Uh-oh. Here, Daddy, can you blow this up? Finish! Let's go!
All right. Why don't you grab what you want to bring from your bedroom?
I want to wear my new running shoes.
Okay. Caillou, are you sure you want to bring all these toys to the beach?
Yes, Mommy. Can you tie my shoes? We gotta hurry.
You're getting to be such a big boy. How would you like to learn how to tie your own shoes?
Okay.
Here, I'll show you. First, we put one lace over the other and pull. Then we make a loop, which we call a tree, and this other lace is the rabbit.
A rabbit? Really?
Sure. He runs around the tree and down his hole. And see, your shoe is tied. Okay, now you try. First one lace over the other. Now make the tree. That's the rabbit. Now where does he run?
Hard.
Do you want to try it once more? Now you didn't hear us try.